In this video, we are going to discuss about a case study on applications of 3D printing. There are about numerous applications in case of 3D printing. Before that, we are going to know what is an 3D printer or rapid prototyping or additive manufacturing process. Why the name additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing suggests that the material is added layer by layer, whereas in the case of traditional methods such as lathe or CNC machine, the material is removed for the final conversion from raw material to the finished product. It is also, as the name suggests, it is also known as rapid prototyping. Why it is known as rapid prototyping? Here, the prototype can be developed easily with the help of a 3D printing machine. In this video, we are going to discuss about a case study and its applications of a 3D printing material. There are about numerous applications in case of 3D printing. Some of the major applications are in the field of medical applications, automobile industries, aerospace industries, food industries. Even for research and education purpose, we can use the 3D printer. The different types of case studies can be explained by our students. Thank you.
We are discussing about the applications of. So we are discussing about the applications of 3D printing. So I am going to explain the applications of 3D printing in healthcare industry. So we are using 3D printing in the healthcare industry as a replacement of the bone or ligaments for the patients. Which is, if we want to replace the bones or fractured bones, or we want to replace some parts of the human body, we are using 3D printing instead of traditional manufacturing. The traditional manufacturing of for producing producing the bones in early days, which is we are reducing the blocks by choosing a dimensions using computer numeric machines. So by this we are reducing the 80% of cost by using this 3D printing, producing the bones for the patients, and it is it consumes very less time instead of using the traditional manufacturing.
So coming to the applications of 3D printing and construction sites. So now recently everyone must be aware that 3D printing has been used in construction of even houses or large buildings. Recently China has built an entire building in the technology of 3D printing. So we are continuously evolving in the technology of 3D printing, and we are using several types of materials that can withstand or has the capability of every strength and adaptability of a house. So the usage of materials differ from depending on the purpose. In case of construction, they are using a particular set of materials that can have the strength and durability of traditional homes. So I think this is a really huge improvement or new research development that has been taken place in 3D printing. Next, the applications in aerospace industry will be explained by Subrata.
In aerospace engineering, let us take a scenario like an aircraft needed a lightweight and complex element like wing or fluid slats. In traditional method, we have to take a raw material and reducing material into a finished product by removing the excess material, which producing lot of waste materials. In additive manufacturing, we just build the material by melting and adding layer by layer, which is more efficient and free to use. And we can easily handle the complex elements in aircrafts by creating it into 3D elements. And the outcomes is less weight and more strength ratio, and afterwards easy to handle the complex elements.
In automotive industries, 3D printing is 3D printing is effectively because in a manufacturing of car, there are more components are produced by 3D printing. In a prototyping method, it takes more time and a high cost. Example, Ford motors are also used a 3D printing method to make a components. And advantages of 3D printing usually in automotive basis are because timeless work,